Hello, this is David, and welcome to Equity Story. And again, yeah, sort of pretty negative movement on the ASX today. And you can see how this is our sort of trending model we use. How we've got this perfect sort of downward trend going on. We do need some sort of exceptional news, I think, to get us out of this downtrend. I can't see it happening. I think there's a lot of negativity out there, and I think you can tell by this rally. This hasn't been this has been a rally where everyone's just said, right, let's use it as an excuse to get out. And I think generally speaking, the sentiment of the market is pretty negative, and I think a little bit concerned that this could sharply go lower. Don't want to sort of scare you too much because, but this is I stole this from a really good American analyst, good trend analyst, most probably. One of the best in the world. This is the blue line here is the SPX. That's based on the American stocks. How this is how it moved back in 2007, 2009, and here's the the black line, and that's how we're moving today. But you can see how it's followed a very similar pattern to before. Very similar. So it's very dangerous in this market to go long. Obviously, if this happens, this falls off a cliff. Those EFTs we put on will do very well, and those gold stocks like Northern Star, Evolution will do exceptionally well. So I think here's another chart. Just scare you a little bit more. This is 2011. I think this is when we had the crisis in Europe, and you can see it's following very similar patterns. And obviously, for me, it looks like it's going down. Fingers crossed. Hopefully it doesn't happen. I think there was one good sign on the SPX. We went over this 1950 level. 1950 is a level that a lot of sort of trend analysts see as pretty crucial. But I think all will be revealed over the next 3 or 4 nights, and it'll be interesting to see really what goes on. Again, good to see MIGME fighting back again. MIGME, this wonderful story. Again, I'm sort of get really excited after I spoke to the CEO again. I just feel this is just most unknown, unloved but brilliant company on the ASX, and I think she should keep on bouncing back, and hopefully, if this company is valued on what similar companies in the world are valued at, I mean, the share price should be 5, 6, 7 times higher. Just having a look at a few more stocks. If we go down here to it's good to see TME. This had a buy signal. We put these buy signals out on Einstein's trending blog every Sunday evening. We don't say when to sell them. We just say if there's upwards momentum, and it's good to see obviously them following those trajectories, and TME hit yearly highs, which is great. And again, AOG had a fantastic bit of movement, and looks really good, and went for their buy signal as well. I just thought I'd pick out 5 ASX 200 stocks which we've trended before and made a lot of money with, and I think we'll be looking to trend these as soon as we got some stability on the market. Vocus is one of these. I mean, Vocus we trended it quite a few times actually, I think, since we've been open. But again, these are sort of companies you want to go to. Absolutely fantastic looking chart, that absolutely stunning. Macquarie Atlas, again, absolutely stunning chart, and she's hit record highs this week. Fantastic. This is a stock that we've trended quite a few times. Sydney Airports, it's absolutely stunning. Hardly breaks this long-term moving average. Looks really good. Ramsay Health Care was before the best trending stock on the ASX. Came back, more or less held those sort of long-term trend lines. Had this real bit of weakness recently, which was a little bit of a worry, but they came back with a great reporting season. It's bounced back up, and I think if you can see Ramsay Healthcare have one good week in the green, there's no reason if the market doesn't obviously go down a lot further, Ramsay can't continue its trend upwards. And again, Magellan, we're trending Magellan at the moment. And again, sort of Magellan just comes back, holds these trend lines, and up again. So we're watching all the stocks every day, We're being a little bit cautious at the moment, as you can see. I think it's our responsibility to protect wealth and make it. But obviously, protecting your assets at the moment, if we do have a really big sharp pullback, it will give us an ideal time to go in and make some and buy some really exciting companies on better valuations on possibly some really good long-term trend lines. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for listening to Equity Story, and I'll be bringing this report on Monday evening, and look out for Sunday when we put out the buy and sell signals. Thank you very much, and good night.